Okay, I'm going to show you how to root your Blu Studio Energy. Okay, I'm going to put the link down in here in the video. What you have to do, you have to Google this right here. Okay, you Google that, and it's going to bring you here. You're going to click in the first video right here, so you can go to the link to download this this app. It's an APK. So okay, what you do, you want to spend the thing right here. You click here and you go down here. You need to do this in the phone so it works. You go to the second link, not this one right here, but this one right here, where it says kingroot.net. Okay, you go here, and it's going to take you to the page. Okay, and Google is going to tell you, no, you cannot go here. So you press details, and you say, yes, I want to go here, and you press right here. Okay. So Google said no. You say yes, I do. So you press details, and you say yes, I want to go. So now that you're here, you download the APK and you install it and everything, and then once you have it there, you open it. It's going to ask you to do some things, and after you do that, it's going to take you right here like this. And you're going to say, well, what's going on? But you're already here, so you optimize it. That's what I did anyway. So, and I'm waiting here, and it's okay, it's optimizing whatever. So, and I look, and nothing here that says click here to root. Nothing. So I go back and I see here this here, so I click in this right here, and guess what, it's right here, root successfully, and it's got the information on my phone. So I didn't know I was root because it didn't say anything. It just took me here, and I know so. But then when I saw this, so I click here, and it shows you that you're root. So now you want to verify if your phone is root. So you just download this right here. It's a root checker, and then this is going to verify if your phone is being rooted. So you click in there, and it says right there, congratulations, your phone is being rooted. So I don't know how this thing got rooted, but it did. So all I did is install that APK that I show you, kingroot. But you have to use your phone. Don't download it in your computer and put it in your phone. No, you have to use your phone, and it works. You just saw it. So I'm gonna find out how to install Twarp, and then I'm making a video on how to install Twarp in this phone. Okay. So good luck.